Fasciola hepatica, also known as the liver fluke, is a parasite flatworm that infects the liver of various mammals including humans. Distribution of Fasciola hepatica found worldwide with a higher prevalence in regions with wet climate and areas where livestock grazing is common. The habitat of Fasciola hepatica. The normal habitat of the parasite is biliary ducts and gallbladder of the definite host. Fasciola hepatica primarily infect herbivorous mammals such as sheep, cattle, and goat, but can also infect humans who consume contaminated water or plant. Uh, Fasciola hepatica morphology large and broadly flattened, measuring up to 30 mm long and 15 mm wide. Morphology: it has a conical projection anteriorly containing an oral sucker and is round posteriorly. The adult worm live in the biliary tract of the definitive host for many years, about 5 years in sheep and 10 years in human. Life cycle of Fasciola hepatica. Fasciola pass through 5 phases in their life cycle: egg, meracidium, cercaria, metacercaria, and adult flock. Life cycle starts when a female lays egg in the liver of an infected human. Immature eggs are discharged in biliary duct and taken out in the feces. If landed in water, the eggs become embryonated and develop larvae called meracidia. A meracidium invades an aquatic snails and develop into cercaria, a larva that is capable of swimming with its large tail. Pathogenesis and clinical feature. It occurs in two phases: the parenchymal and biliary phases, abdominal pain, fever, and anemia. Pathogenesis of Fasciola hepatica. Infection causes liver damage leading to symptoms such as abdominal pain, jaundice, and liver enlargement. Cases infection can result in liver failure and death. Fasciola hepatica immunity. Manipulate the host immune response to support successful invasion. Immunity of Fasciola hepatica is primarily mediated Th2 immune response with the production of antibodies and eosinophils playing a role in controlling the infection. Diagnosis of Fasciola hepatica. The infection typically is diagnosed by examining stool fecal specimen under the microscope. Diagnosis of Fasciola hepatica infection can be through the detection of egg in the feces on serological tests that detect antibodies to the parasite. Treatment of Fasciola hepatica. Triclebendazole is the drug of choice given by mouth, usually in 2 doses. Uh, Main treatment for Fasciola hepatica infection: the use of anthelmintic drugs such as tri- triclebendazole, which is highly effective against the parasite. Fasciola hepatica prevention or control. not eating raw and other water plants. Avoid food and water that might be contaminated. Fasciola hepatica infection involve avoiding the consumption of contaminated water or vegetation, practicing good hygiene, and deworming livestock to reduce the risk of transmission to humans.